So what's up guys? It's Dolly Sam here and finally dumating na microphone ko. So let's unbox it. So I ordered this from Juan Gadget, if I'm reading it right. It's a universal cardioid microphone, and it's compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and cameras. Also complete with deadcat, the mic. It's a shotgun mic, and you also have the we also have the mount. It's a cold shoe mount. This holds the mic and lets you attach the mic to your camera or a tripod or whichever you have. We also have the cables for the camera and another cable for the smartphone or any smart devices. So you don't have to buy extra stuff. Unlike other mics that you still have to purchase adapters and such separately. So I've already, as you can see me unboxing. All these is for $997 at Juan Gadget. Now the boxes isn't like, I mean, I think it's perfectly bubble wrapped with the courier pouch and all that, but yeah. Again, the parts that I've received is the deadcat, the shotgun mic, the mount, the cables, cable adapters, and it also comes with a pouch. So let us try. Let's try it. If it makes the audio of my vlogs a little bit better. I tried it earlier, so let me let you hear how it sounds like. So let me set it up. Napakahalaga, nandito na lahat ng gusto ko, like if in case you would travel or go outside, so you'll have them all in just this one pouch and set it up somewhere, whichever you want to do your vlogs. And right now this is what you hear. I have to talk louder for you to hear me because I'm just using my cell phone's microphone, internal microphone. This is how I sound, and then you hear some buzzing sounds coming from the aircon. Ang gusto kasi nalalagas yung it's the fur of this dead cat. It's falling off. See? They fly away. They sometimes stick to my face, to my mouth. I ate one earlier. By the way, I just want to point out, I thought this is just like all fur, like yung sa stuffed toy na it's all fur like that. It has foam inside, so that's why it is bulky like this. So let's first try it with that. Now what I'll be using, so I don't have a hard time holding it. From my previous vlog, you've seen me unbox it. I'm gonna use it now, so I don't have to hold it, put it somewhere near the microphone. Yeah. falling. So here, this is the mount to snap it on. And of course, because let me attach this one first. Yan. This is only 75. I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's for the camera. Okay, we already have that. That's so good. That's so convenient. And there. So you're hearing me now from the internal mic again. I'll plug this in. Let's see if it makes a difference. It's in between me taking a video. You're now hearing me from this mic. So they say its cardioid is only gaining sound vibrations coming from the front side. So sa back, wala itong naririnig. If you do this, it won't hear you, like it won't detect sound waves. If you do this, then it should, I should be louder. Yan. Let me remove the I tried this earlier and it works. Now this is the sound quality without the dead cat. The more it's near your mouth, the more you can hear me now. And maybe I can talk a little. Now also a reminder, if you purchase this for iOS users or Apple phone users or any iOS device, it's a plug and play for our devices, meaning you don't have to download any applications nor you need to do some tweaks on your phone. It should just work right away as you plug in it to your adapter, or if you still have the jack, then it should work that way. But if you have an Android phone, you will need to download and you will have to do some settings. Let me put it back. There, I think it's with the dead cat on, it's a little bit more silent and it's more just sensitive to sound waves, sound vibrations. So you should still hear the buzzing sound of the aircon, but other than that, you will not hear anything else. I'm just actually wrapping it around my tripod right now, as you can see my face right in front.
One eternity later.
Okay, I don't know how to wrap it.
One eternity later.
Yan. Nakapulupot na yung mic. So, yeah. I'm a vlogger now, Shapes. So what do you guys think about the sound quality? I'll again let you hear how it is without the mic. Yan. This is how it is without the mic. And I'll plug the mic back in. Now, how it sounds with the mic. So at first when I tried it, I heard some like crackling noise. I guess the adapter, I'm not sure. Now let's also try to turn on the ceiling fan. Can you hear that now? It's now the tube 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 sound of the ceiling fan. Let you hear how it is when I remove the dead cat. So this is how it sounds without the dead cat. I remove the dead cat. And this is how it sounds without the mic, without the BOYA MM1. Yeah, full-blown noise, right? I mean, the mic of the phone is not really bad, but it's really sensitive. It picks up all the noise, everything that you don't want people to hear in a video. It picks it all up, which I'm not a fan. And I'll put it all back. So this is my final thoughts about the mic. It doesn't really cancels the noise. Actually, it isolates your voice, but it doesn't cancel all the noise in the room. It will still be better if you turn off any fans, or you go or film on a well ventilated area, so you'll make sure that it's silent. It doesn't cancel my ceiling fan noise, unfortunately, and there's nothing I can do about that. But it enhances my voice, though. It's now kind of louder and, like I said, more isolated. Now, when it comes to the price, it's a little bit expensive. I know others would say this is a budget mic, but us na poor tayo besh, we cannot afford this kind of mic. We have other mics, the lavalier types that you put on your sleeve, or like on your neck, on your neck. Those that are just 100 pesos, that would also, I mean, it's enough for a simple video. But if you're more adventurous, you go out a lot, yeah, this is a good buy. It's 997, because I forgot to mention. Before, it's priced at 2,000, 2,500, and then 1,516. Now it's just 997, and One Gadget is an official distributor of this mic. They also come with a warranty. So, anyway, yeah, for me it's actually okay. It's not a must purchase, but if you have the money, then you should splurge. But yeah, it's really up to you. But for those who don't have this much, you can try on those cheaper ones, like $175 or $60 lavalier mics. And then if you are monetized, then you can work your way up, buy a more expensive equipment. And like me, I'm even using a broken phone, but it works fine, so I'm cool with it. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below if this mic for you was worth it, or if not, or you have other recommendations. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you like to know more, or get notifications if I have new uploads. Thank you so much, and stay safe.